So many times we take life for granted. And when we lose someone that meant so much, sometimes we wonder why we done the things we done in life. This ain't for views. This ain't for pity. This is for Patty, for Kellie, for the family of Steve Good. We've lost a good man. I've met many people in this woodworking community. I never wanted anything from anyone but their friendship. I never done this for a business. I never done this for gain. I never done this for anything other than pleasure. But there's only a handful that I can say return that in friendship. Steve Good was one of those men. Steve Good wanted nothing in return. And was passionate for what he believed in. I know he believed in God. I know he believed in what he did with the Scrollsaw. I'm trying my very best to make this without being sorrowful or without trying to. This ain't about views. This isn't. This is about respect. Respect for the man. That is for the reason for why I do what I do, and we go back a long way. If I want to share a moment, it would be talking to Steve Good about me wanting to use his pattern as my logo. I remember sending him an email about using it. He was so humble and gracious in his response. Sure, anything you need. And I remember a friend of both of ours, Charles Deering, great Scrollsaw designer, pattern maker, Scrollsaw artist, who helped redesign Steve's pattern. He actually, Charles, took my head off of a picture, the silhouette, and put it over top of Steve's, because Steve's had a hat on it, and I don't wear a hat, not often. But Charles made that pattern for me, knowing that Steve had consented to it, and Steve was a given man to the trade of scroll sawing, woodworking, building skills, and knowing that giving was better than receiving. My logo today stands because of Steve Good. With the help with Charles and the approval of Steve Good, I never thought in a million years that I'd see a day where I would miss someone so much in the woodworking community as this. But he was my mentor, my friend. Godspeed, Steve.